All right, we got a lot going on under this car as well. Now we want to update the torque converter, give it a better stall, and just make the thing beefier and perform better. Now to get to that transmission, right, normally do things like exhaust, but with the side exhaust, that's easy. So we just had to drop the drive shaft, take all the ins and outs of the transmission, whether it's the shift cable on this side, the lines, etc. on the other side, free. We got all the torque converter bolts, to the flex plate already off. So all that's left with the cross member gone too is just the bell housing bolts. So got me a big long extension with a little bit of a hope on the end here that I can reach most of them. And we'll drop that transmission out, have some fun on the bench. Let's do that. Down. Good. Get back.
All right, you guys want an ugly stat? I mean, this stat is ugly. 9 out of 10 transmission failures are caused by heat.
Yeah.
Yes, indeed. Heat's a killer when it comes to...
And you know what? They make coolers for that.
Yeah, they do.
But we think about it after.
Exactly. Well, thank God we have heat handled with our friends at Boss Hog Converters, because these guys, this is the old converter, so we'll move this thing out of the way because we're stepping up to a Boss Hog Converter. And these guys go out of their way to make sure you're getting the right application or the right converter for your application. So much so, they'll even give you this entire sheet. You fill out everything. Cam specs, tire size, weight of vehicle, all your info right there, and they'll custom make you your own converter. And when I say custom make it, let me tell you, these things are as bad as they come.
Yeah.
You have encased Torrington bearings, all right? You have anti-ballooning plates. Every one of the fins is welded, and that gives you a lot of internal strength inside that converter.
Yeah, and why do those specs matter? It wants to get you the right stall speed.
Yeah.
So, right, if you've never been in an automatic with a stall, especially something with a big cam in it, you really want to let it slip up into the RPM range where you start to make power, but not go too far, and that's why that's all critical, and it happens right inside the design. They have everything from mild street all the way up to nitro.
Yeah, that Outlaw series, woo, 1,000 plus horsepower all day.
They know how to walk that technology right down to whatever you need.
Yeah, for sure.
All right, let's fill her up, let's get her in and back in that car.
Down. There we go. Pretty cool stuff, man. The gear bender's up under here, all mounted up. Now all we gotta do is wire it up. This thing's getting closer.